Hello everyone, how are you all? So this is the messages, this is the video for you who are in twin flame journey. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. But this is the general message from your divine masculine, the DM. Okay, what are the messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine, what they are thinking about you, what they want to tell you? So this is the video for those who are not in contact with your divine masculine. Okay, with are not in contact with your divine masculine. So yes, this is the message which I'm going to deliver to you all. Okay, so this is the general collective message from your divine masculine. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start. What are the messages from your divine masculine? What they want to tell you? What are the collective energies of your divine masculine? What they want to say to divine feminine? Let's see what. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with their divine feminine. What are the messages? What are they thinking about divine feminine? Wow. Let me see first all the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for divine feminine from the divine masculine? What are the messages? Any other message they want to give? Okay. So they want to tell you that your divine masculine wants to say you that you love me for what I am. Okay, you love me for what I am. You love me for what I am. Your divine masculine is saying that. Bottom of the deck, I'm ready for our new beginning. So they are ready for your new beginning, and it's not over. Okay, it's not over. They are ready for our new beginning. So this is the message from your divine masculine. Then there is, please connect me in the 5D. They want you to connect in 5D. Okay, please connect me in 5D. You are the only one I wanna be with. You are the only one with whom they want to stay. Okay, they know that, and they are saying this. You will be forever. You will forever be my always. Okay. They want to say you that you are forever mine always. You accept and respect my limitations. You make me a better person, and you know me better than anyone else. Okay, no one else can know them better than you, and they know that, and you make them a better person. Okay, you have been in my dreams. Okay, you have been in my dreams. You always give me a shoulder to cry on. Okay, no one other compares to you. So they know your worth now, divine feminines. They know your worth. They know that no one else can compare to you. Okay, no one else can compare to you. I am feeling the consequences of my action. They are already feeling the consequences of their action, whatever action they have done towards you. They are already feeling the consequences of that. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. They know that they have treated you wrong, they know that they have done wrong things to you, and they think that saying sorry is enough for you or not. Sometimes I wonder if saying I am sorry is enough. Then they want to say you that I am not the same person that you remember. Okay, I am not the same person which you think that I was, that you remember. So these are the messages. Beautiful message. Let's add some more messages. Because this was the messages from the divine masculine only, but let's add some more message from your divine masculine, what they want to say. Okay, let's see what they want to say more. What are the messages for divine feminine? Give me the messages. What are the messages for divine feminine from the divine masculine? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Any other message? Okay. They think that you are the other half. Okay, your divine masculine feels that you are the other half. Then they want to say you that love you very much. You make me happy, no one else can. That's the divine masculine is thinking of you, wants to say to you. Love is the secret of my energy. That's the divine masculine wants to say to you, that love is the secret of their energy. So these are the messages from your divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact, no contact with your divine masculine. So these are the things that they want to say to you. I hope whoever are requiring these messages will listen to these messages, and this will help you out in some manner. Okay, sending you lots of love and light to everyone wherever you are. Take care of yourself and see you soon.